Hi, this is Christian Fouts and welcome to your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to talk about 4 different secrets to profiting from probate properties. We do a lot of our properties through foreclosure process. We find that there's great opportunities, and also we're providing a needed solution to family members who may not have gone through probate before. The first part is to understand the probate process, and that really differs state by state. So you need to know your local laws, and it can take anywhere from 3 months up to 2 years. It's important to know that the heirs cannot sell the property until the probate process is completed in most instances. The second thing is be sensitive. Put yourself in their shoes. They just lost a loved one, maybe a parent, a grandmother, an aunt or an uncle. So just be sensitive to what they're going through. Also, you want to make it easy for them. You want to do a cash purchase, no contingencies, do your inspection very quickly, buy it as is. They're not going to want to make any repairs. We even have gone as far as have their family's furniture or keepsakes boxed up and put in a storage unit for them, or maybe we've had Goodwill come and pick up and donate furniture to a local charity. And we've also found that the best properties where they really need the most amount of help is where the heirs live out of state. You can not only provide a great solution, but there's also a tremendous opportunity there as well. I hope you found this Core Real Estate Minute helpful. Thank you.